Many of you know how to screen record on a Mac using the built-in screen recording tool. But what if I told you that you can record both your screen and camera, then get a full transcript, an AI summary, and a searchable recording via AI chat? That's exactly what you can do with Bluedot. First, install the free extension and then pin it to your browser. Then click on the extension icon. Here, you can choose whether to record with your camera or not. You can also select the language and then just click the Start Recording button. After that, Bluedot will let you choose the recording area. You can choose your entire screen, a specific window, or a Chrome tab. I'll record the full screen, and don't forget to check the Also Share System Audio box. After a 3-second countdown, Bluedot will start recording and analyzing everything on your screen. This way, I can show a website, go through a document on my Mac, explain a workflow, or record a short video tutorial. And when I'm done, all I have to do is click the Finish Recording button. Then, Bluedot will open the recording in a new tab where I can watch it right away. Once finished, Bluedot generates a full transcript for me. Bluedot also generates an AI summary of your recording, including an overview, action items, and topics. And another useful feature is the AI chat. For instance, if you've recorded a long lecture or tutorial, you don't have to rewatch the entire video. You can just ask a question in the AI chat, and Bluedot will give you the answer. Even if you use the built-in Mac screen recorder, you can still upload the video to Bluedot to get a transcript, summary, and AI analysis after the fact. Try recording your screen on a Mac with Bluedot yourself. It's free.